Hello friends and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about shocking news from Tesla's European car industry. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. For the European auto market, Tesla said in 2019 that it will build a massive facility in Berlin to accommodate its growing demand. Construction on the factory has been underway for 2 years and is currently in its final stages. Tesla's global presence and vehicle production are projected to grow as a result of the Berlin factory. It is possible that the Tesla factory in Berlin, which is located in Brandenburg region, would place Tesla above electric vehicle sales in the United States in the future. With ambitions to create 2 million vehicles per year at the Berlin factory, what does this mean for the current European electric vehicle leader Volkswagen? Will there be enough demand for Tesla's vehicle in Europe, or will they be unable to produce enough? Once fully operational, the Await Tesla Berlin factory will be capable of producing 2 million cars per year. That there would be no automobiles exported from the facility in Berlin is one detail that many people may have overlooked during the discussion. The fact that China is Tesla's primary export market and that Berlin will only produce cars for the European market means that a significant amount of production will be available for the Model Y, which will be marketed in China. They will be able to export even more to nations such as Australia, New Zealand, and Japan, which is fantastic news for Berlin, which will soon reach production capacity of 2 million automobiles per year. Tesla would not just be at the top of the electric vehicle competition in Europe if it's sold only in that continent. It would also be the most profitable. As the world's largest electric vehicle manufacturer, Tesla has the potential to dominate the electric vehicle sector. However, as the world's largest electric vehicle manufacturer, they might also dominate all other vehicle sectors as a result. In 2020, the Berlin factory alone will create more electric vehicles than will be sold across the entire European Union. Check out the difference between what 2 million cars are worth and what the major automobile manufacturers are doing well. There is much more to know about, so please watch the video till the end. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Compared to Audi's global production capacity, this single plant will be able to produce around 15 to 20% more vehicles. Year after year, Audi manufactures and sells over 1.7 million vehicles worldwide. While Audi does this with 19 plants in 12 different countries, Tesla will be able to do so with a single factory. However, the single reason that would allow Tesla to surpass Audi in market share is not the most significant consideration. 1.6 million vehicles are sold annually worldwide, with little over 800,000 vehicles sold in Europe. Audi, BMW, and Mercedes sell a combined total of 2.3 million vehicles worldwide each. However, as Tesla sells only approximately 900,000 cars in Europe each year, this means that Tesla would create more cars in Berlin for Europe than the combined sales of Mercedes, BMW, and Audi in the same period. Each year, Toyota, one of the world's leading automobile manufacturers, produces between 9 to 10 million automobiles worldwide. The Berlin Gigafactory, however, would make Tesla the largest car manufacturer in Europe, even though they only sell approximately 800,000 cars in total in Europe, a quantity comparable to those sold by Audi, BMW, and Mercedes. The Fox market is presently the most popular car brand in Europe, with the firm selling 1.7 million automobiles in 2019. In Europe, 1.7 million vehicles are highly amazing, but the Tesla factory would be producing more than 2 million vehicles per year, putting them at the top of the electric vehicle manufacturing in Europe, by far the most impressive number. Because ramping up production in a factory is more difficult than building a factory, we would have to wait longer between factory construction and vehicle design. Even though the process will be lengthy, the electric vehicle pioneers are far more experienced than they were when they first started in 2008. The ramp and manufacturing will begin far sooner than anyone could have predicted at this point. A total of approximately 580,000 Model Y vehicles are produced in China each year at the moment. This amount was achieved in only 1.5 years by the facility, suggesting that Tesla Berlin may be able to achieve an even higher production rate in the City of Lights. The company has 2 gigacasting pieces, rather than just one, as most other companies in China do, and also has many casting machines. Model Y will become the best-selling car of any kind as new technology becomes available. Getting the best-selling automobile in Europe shouldn't take that long. There are presently 285,000 units sold per year in Europe by the Fox Rocking Golf, and Tesla will create over 500,000 units, especially for the European market within the next 1.5 years, according to the model. These are astounding numbers, and Tesla is currently building an electric vehicle battery at its Berlin facility that will have the capacity to produce between 200 and 250 gigatons of electricity every year. There will be a demand for around 3.3 million Model 3s in Europe, which equates to approximately 3.3 million Model 3s. You may argue that this is the case, although the ramp-up of the Berlin factory will most likely take some time. Tesla will most likely not reach its target of 2 million vehicles by 2025. The company is still on track. None of the other major automakers, however, have a plan to put that many electric vehicles on the road by 2025. Volkswagen has a plan to produce around 1.5 million units by 2025, with this figure being for the global market. We believe Tesla will continue to sell every car it produces, particularly in Europe, where demand for electric vehicles is extremely strong and will likely only increase as more people make the conversion to electric vehicles. The only company that will be able to provide anywhere near the quantity needed to meet rising demand is Tesla, and the company expects to sell every single car it manufactures even as late as 2025. Tesla would also gain market share in Europe and could even surpass Volkswagen in terms of market share in the continent's history. Tesla has the potential to become the largest automobile manufacturer in Europe, and with a single factory in Berlin, they have found an excellent way to do so after completing the factory in Shanghai. The next task for Tesla appears to be finding new ways to make factory in Berlin more efficient and better than the one in Shanghai. It's no surprise that Volkswagen's top executives held a meeting with Tesla's top executives. It was mentioned by the company's boss and CEO that the Model 3 is 3 times faster to manufacture than the Volkswagen ID.3, which is expected to be one of the company's top-selling vehicles in 2020. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to subscribe to it and like this video and leave your comments in the comment section. The Berlin plant will be Tesla's first significant manufacturing facility in Europe and its fourth so-called Gigafactory. The company's other Gigafactories are located in Nevada, New York, and Shanghai, among other locations. As a marketing word, the term Gigafactory was coined by Elon Musk to promote his company's ambitions for a massive battery factory in Nevada. It has since grown in popularity and has become synonymous with the term Gigafactory. The official Tesla communication on the project is scarce, but it does not state that Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg will be the most advanced high-volume electric vehicle production plant in the world, according to the company. At this point, it is unknown when exactly manufacturing will begin at the facility. In the initial proposal, the opening would take place in July 2021. However, according to the German weekly Automobilwoche, which cited business sources, Musk extended the contract of the German team by 6 months. According to statements made in June by both the production and the regional administration, the company anticipates that initial production will begin before the end of the year. However, a new environmental complaint filed in June may result in a halt to work, which could result in further delays in the project. The Model Y, an electric midsize SUV, will be the first vehicle produced by the California-based startup, according to the company. According to Tesla's plans, once the initial expansion phase is completed, the factory will be able to employ up to 12,000 workers who will be able to produce 500,000 cars per year for the European market. According to estimates in the media, the corporation intends to invest up to 4 billion euros in the construction project. What do you think of our video? Let me know about your favorite part of the video in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.